Hello, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, join me to open my newly received toy. Okay, let's start. This is exciting. I ordered this toy from Madman Online Store. Do you have any guess what is it? Tan tararan! It's Ram Q-Posket. Ram is one of the main characters of Re:Zero. Q-Posket is a collectible figurines. It's a kawaii and chibi figurine line made by Banpresto. The most distinct feature of this series is the eyes of the figurine. You'll notice the large beady-like design gives it a very expressive look. Along with that, the Q-Posket line has incredibly accurate character detail, striking poses, and vivid color schemes. The figurines are made from ABS and PVC plastic and may also feature variants or different versions with different color schemes of the same figure design. It is called the A version and the B version. It has three parts: the head, the body, and the stand. Let's put it together. Aw, so cute. Kawaii. Thank you for watching. See you next time.